Okay, this is the final product of the nut meat that we fixed earlier. This is what it looks like in the can. You can tell that it rose and then settled back down. So it's ready to eat. All you have to do is you dump it out on your plate. One thing that you can do if it won't come out, you can actually open the bottom of the can with a can opener and push it out. And this one's not wanting to come out, so we may end up doing that. So it's going to come out of the can. It looks just like that. You can tell it's darker on the top than it is on the inside. To fix it, there are several ways you can fix it. You can take some of this, use it like pate, mix things in it, sweet relish, mayonnaise, sour cream, olives, and make a pate type of product. Or you can slice it and fry it and eat it that way. And I'm even thinking that if you took some of it, you could take a big wide cut of it and mix it in and make like a garden burger type of thing that you would fry, because it is it is not low fat because of the peanut butter. So you would slice it like I'm slicing it now, and then it's gooey, but it's good. It's so good. And you'd fry that and brown it on both sides and put it on your plate. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Either one, and it's delicious.